Okay, for this worksheet, we're working some puzzle problems. So we're supposed to find the answer, put the words into a letter bank, or put the letter into a letter bank, and then from that unscramble the words that go with the first and the second part of the answer. Let's see what we got. So these, let's see what we have. So they're showing us these, that this is a perpendicular bisector. So 4x minus 6 is going to be equal to 2x. Take 4x away from both sides. Minus 6 is equal to minus 2x. Divided by negative 2, x is equal to 3. So P goes in the first box. Let's look at number 2. Find AB. Okay, so perpendicular bisector. These two segments are going to be congruent. We got 3x plus 2 equals 9x minus 10. Take away 2 from both sides. Take away 9x from both sides. Minus 6x equals negative 12. Divided by negative 6. X equals 2. AB is equal to 2. That gives us a B for our box. Here, another perpendicular bisector. This segment's bisected at the bottom, so we can set those equal to each other. And we have x over 2 is equal to x minus 6. Multiply both sides by 2. X is equal to 2x minus 12. Take away x from both sides. Take away 2x from both sides. Minus x is minus 12. X is 12. So we get an S for our box. So next part here. So down here, okay, so for this one, I find TW. Again, we got a perpendicular bisector, so those segments are congruent. TW is congruent to WB. And we have 3x equals 3 minus 24x. Add 24x to both sides. 27x is equal to 3. Divide both sides by 27. X is equal to 3 over 27, which simplifies to 1 over 9. So an A comes out of that one for our choices. And this is for numbers 1 through 7. Okay, let's look at number 5. For number 5, these two angles, since we have an angle bisector, these two angles are congruent. And we can say 6x plus 26 equals 10x plus 18. Take away 10x from both sides. Minus 4x's is equal to, and 18 take away 26 is going to be a negative 8. Negative 4x's is a negative 8. Divided by negative 4, x is equal to 2. So we get a U for our scrambled letters out of that one. Let's do number 6. For number 6, let's see, these two angles need to be congruent to each other. So 2x plus 18 equals 5x. Take 2x away from both sides. 18 is equal to 3x. Divide both sides by 3. X is equal to 6. So A goes into our choices. And let's do number 7. Okay, so for number 7, these two sides are congruent. We have 91 minus 8x equals 7x minus 14. So take 7x away from both sides. Minus 15x is equal to, and take 91 away from both sides. Looks like we get 105, negative 105. And divide both sides by negative 15, we get 7. and 7 goes with another A. So an A goes in for the pattern up here. Okay, now we're on number 2. Okay, number 8. Let's see what we got. So these two angles need to be congruent. We got 4x plus 14 equals 2/3 x plus 19. I would multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of that fraction. So 12x plus 42 equals 2x. By multiplying both sides by 3 equals 2x plus 57. Okay, take away 42 from both sides gives us a 15. Take away 2x from both sides gives us a 10. 10x is 15. X is 1.5. This is a J. So box 2, for word 2, we have a J. So we get number 9. These two angles need to be congruent. 2x plus 8 is equal to 16. Take away 8. 2x's is 8. Divide by 2. X is equal to 4. That gives us an M. So look at number 10. These two segments need to be congruent. 3x minus 6 equals x plus 8. Take away x and add 6 to both sides. 2x's is 14. X is equal to 7. Gives us an F. And for number 11, let's see, these two need to be equal to each other. We've got 5x plus 9 is equal to 8x. Take away 5x's from both sides. 9 is equal to 3x. X is equal to 9/3, which is 3. So Y is for that last one. So I'm not sure what the unscrambled letters are for this one.